He didn't tell him.
Turn around, and let's give a big round of applause to the family and friends who helped you get there. A lot of hours and support there. Graduates, keep standing. We have a special treat. As we know, our instructors and our directors.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
lessons will be painful, some will be painless, but I promise 100% this day, June 15th of 2018, is all about you. Take the feeling of pride and accomplishment that you have today and continue to achieve greatness. We are proud of you, we celebrate you, and we definitely cannot wait to see. Congratulations. So every one of our students worked so hard, and there were some standouts. So I have the privilege of announcing the valedictorians for this year. So the valedictorian for the Brooklyn campus is Obiemi Kate. On a daily basis, Obiemi, fantastic attendance, hard work, her grades were impeccable, and most of all, she was a wonderful classmate to all of her Brooklyn classmates. So she is an example for us all. We congratulate you.
Good afternoon, President Jason, Vice President, Campus Director Joe Murray, administrators, friends, family, graduation class of 2018. Welcome to the commencement ceremony. As I look out in front of me today, I can feel the emotions and excitement from every one of you. Just a little over a year ago, we went through something similar to this. Not as big, but similar orientation. There we were introduced to administrators that would help us through this journey, very unfamiliar. At the time, graduation seemed so far away, but here we are today. We sat and we listened to unfamiliar voices that will later become like family. Let's take a few moments to recognize those people. We have Ms. Townsend. She made anatomy seem fun and easy, while cultivating nicknames for all of us. To Ms. B. She made it clear that dedication and hard work and the occasional fun is what would get us through. Brooklyn, remember 2017? Miss B was the little girl for Halloween? And she will only literally respond in a little girl's voice the entire day. So that was fun. From Mr. Wise. In his teaching, as always, to Mr. Kondo, who tried in every class to instill in us the philosophy of life. Who can forget Miss B? Brooks. Words cannot begin to understand, to even explain how much it touched us, both educationally and morally, while still giving us that good chicken on the side, and the deal. Always had that. To Dr. Q. Though he's small in stature, but he sure was a force to reckon with. All the knowledge and skills that we learned will help us through life, and we get us there. But the most important thing that we learned over the last year is how to cultivate relationships and rely on each other. Over the next few minutes, I would like to talk about the people that got us here, friends, family, administrators. That the most important thing we learned was how to cultivate relationships. Remind me of my father's saying, make new friends, but keep the whole. One is silver and the other is gold. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. In Mod 1, we discovered the names that most of us would forever remember by, courtesy of Ms. Townsend and Mr. Wise. Ramatulai became Ratatouille. Kia was Sorrento, Destiny was Sportage, Juliana was Juju, and I became Opie. Ashley taught us, though you may be quiet, you may not always be innocent. Batiste showed us what truly it is to remain who you are. And Takima showed us some groovy dance moves at our Mod 5 parties. At the 5th week of my externship, I came back to the school and I spoke to Ms. Brooks. And I explained to her my site, my patients, and the things that I've seen. She said some few words to me that day. She said, most people come to the clinic or hospital, not because they want to, but because they're not feeling well. So do not take whatever they say to you very personally. And from that day forth, those words will forever become the foundation that I use to further in my career. I'd like to take a moment to thank my family and friends on behalf of myself and my graduates. Thank my husband, Vaughn. You not only helped me here, you motivated me and provided the means for me to get here. To my son, Alexander. Your whole being was and is my motivation. And who can forget our administrators and advisors? From the duo, there's Ms. Thompson, who is the pushy big sister, is always there to do the right thing, to Ms. B, who is the mother you try to hide everything from, but for some reason she still finds out. Then we have Shamela, who never lets us fall behind on those payments. And we have Martha. All I can say is thank you. So now we are graduates saying goodbye to each other. Some of our paths will never cross again, and some are forever bonded in friendship. Departure being a sweet sorrow, there will be tears and there will be hugs. But if we do not depart, we can never meet again. Do not take for granted the opportunity that we have all been given. It's very rare to find a very supportive staff, administrators that will always be there for you no matter what time and day. I would like to leave you now with 2 quotes. One, I came across a while ago that says, avoid negative people if you have a mission. Those without a mission will say your vision is just an illusion. And lastly, in the words of William Shakespeare, I say to you, if we meet again, we shall indeed smile. If not, then this parting was well made. Thank you.
The Jamaica valedictorian for the 2018 class is Padmini Bazduya. Padmini exemplified on a daily basis the Allen School characteristics of teamwork, dedication, excellence in academics, and a smile that continued to light up the hallways every day as she walked the Jamaica campus. So we congratulate you.
Distinguished administrators, respected faculty, families, friends of my fellow graduates, a very good afternoon to each and every one of you. It is a great honor for me to be selected as your valedictorian for our class of 2018. Today is a day to be thankful and to be inspired. I would like to first start off by thanking God, the 3 most important people in my life who are here with me today. Family and friends of my fellow graduates, and the wonderful teachers of Allen School. Without your support and guidance, we all would have not made it here today. I would also like to take this opportunity to share a little of my journey about how I became an Allen School student. Being a caregiver for some of the people who were dear to me and seeing how giving them the love, care, and comfort had made a difference in their life had inspired me to join the medical field. But to begin this journey, I first had to find the right school. After my research and many reviews, the Allen School of Health Sciences was my first choice. My first encounter was the administrative process. I came wanting to do the CNA program, but after giving introduction to the medical assistant program, I decided I will do it. But yet, I kept asking myself, for someone who had not studied in 15 plus years, will I be able to make it? I wanted to cancel, but then I decided I will take it as a new challenge in my life. On my first day, I was assigned to a wonderful class, D1, of wonderful classmates. The friendship, the support, and encouragements we all give each other had helped us to succeed the time spent at Allen School. I, for one, have overcome my biggest fear, and that is standing in front of you here today. I managed to maintain a 4.0 GPA, and I'm proud to say I was hired 2 days before my internship was over. But again, as I mentioned earlier, our success would not have been possible without the outstanding instructors of Allen School. And as I mentioned a few, from our very first Miss Mann to our very last Dr. Childry, your motivation has caused our mind to be relaxed, and the first and last mod ended with
somebody
peace.
sitting here too.
Today, outspoken Dr. Rahman, who always told us, I don't care if you don't like me. But we love you for making us professional phlebotomists. Dr. Manan, you gave us the extra lessons that was not related to the topic you taught us, and share a lot of your experiences in the medical field. It truly helped us to proceed. And last but not least, the enthusiastic Dr. Chesley, who would occasionally come around to give us sugar and to make sure that we have enough energy to carry through the day, and share many of your thoughts in a funny and encouraging way. The Allen School as a whole have guided, groomed, and prepared us well to perform with excellence in the medical field. And I speak for all of us graduates when I say thank you. To my fellow graduates, no matter what your dreams are in the future, you can get there with dedication, determination, and focus on what you have learned. When you leave here today, celebrate what you have accomplished, but look forward with an eye towards how you too can be an inspiration for others and continue to make the name of Allen School of Health Sciences recognized. Until we meet again, congratulations and all the best, class of 2017. We did it.
Well, I love that one of the common themes that we have heard is how amazing your instructors have been for the past 6 months. They have guided you, they have cheered you, they have soldiered you. And a couple have stood out this year as the faculty all sat and discussed who would be the instructors of the year. So the instructor of the year for the Brooklyn campus is the very own evening instructor, Dr. Teddy Fund. Are you ready? Can you only guess? I think we can all agree, standing out above many of the talented instructors that we have in Jamaica, the instructor of the year for Jamaica campus is Dr. Amino Manan. I love about social media is getting to see your beautiful faces. And as you take pictures today, remember hashtag Alan Strong, and we get to see all of the amazing accomplishments that you have. Well, we were very fortunate this year because when we asked you, hey, can we share some of your pictures in our student montage, we were flooded. So we'd like to spend a few moments now celebrating and looking about some of the wonderful things that happened on the campus over the past 6 months during your time here at the Allen School.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends again.
sidelines, so get ready, families, get your cameras ready. Hashtag Alan Strong.
For your money, right? But she got the gift out of it. You know what I'm saying? She is somebody. You hear me? She got what she wanted, right? That's right. That's right.
Diana Munguia. Gustavo Solano. Emmons LaRoche. Ursula Peralta. Manel Richardson. Amelia Olivaria. Benji Williams. Monel Francois. Valde Manatu. Hanji El Laforte. Maritza Gale. Celicia Higgins. Jacqueline Edwards Seymour. Candice Bowen. Oslin Murray. Oslin Thomas. Nikisha Paris. Simone Smith. Carmen Correa. Darvin Laredo. Marie G. Louis. Kamisha Markland. Nivea Cruz. Renee Hilton. Patricia Edwards. Cleopatra Buchanan. Samantha Owen. Jonna Edwards. Francia Simon. Sherry Ann Winston. Naisha Warren. Jonelle Parjan. Anthony Kimani. Diane Leslie. Patisse Ratliff. Dondria Best. Monet Daniel. Takima Miller. Kia Gary. Macy Beckford. Yvonne Young. Sudine Richardson. Sakina Pollard. Chantal Leonard. Simone Leathers. Tiffany Mason. Christina Rodriguez.
Crystal.
Marilyn Alexander.
Crystal.
Perla Feliciano Checo. Sarah Santos. Candice Edwards. Lady Campusano. Kennedy Rio. Mariana Quinago. Sanisha Skinner. Susan Cortez. Catherine Barfield. Danielle Green Simon. Allison John. Brianna Billings. Patricia Edwards. Leah Wilkinson. Jasmine Bennett. Fernanda Leon. Denise Adorno. Stephanie Cabrera. Diamonasia Brown. Kayla Anderson. Damiola Akumbenji. Alexandra Zagame. Lakshmi Mitani. Carrie Dale. Sade Davis. Alubenga Folian. Leslyn Alexander. Anna King. Anasha Olaro. Marie Tillett. Deja John, Onika Leach, Tawana Henry, Emerald Fletcher, Bianca Martin, Nerlene Exes, Janelle Million, Jocelyn Raphael, Anita Mason, Chiquita Butler, Peggy Ann Alfred, Rhonda Brown, Musu Kiazalu, Shauna Bowen, Jasmine Matheson, Carmelita Chandler, Christelle Bobbin, Whitney Morrisseau, Cecilia Benitez, Letitia Smith, Francis Lampkins, Nadine Bedford Patterson, Kendra Roberts, Julika Hutchinson, Shelly Ann McDermott, Sophia Brown, Opie Yemi Case, Amatulai Dukure, Juliana Gamelch, Fabiola Khan, Chanel Brown, Waldine Champagne, Tamara James, Carol Muhammad, Patrice Smalls, Shalea Council, Gina Scott, Avis Grant, Chantel McLean, Martina Weeks, Deshaun Jenkins, Samantha Cruz, Dominique Donofrio, Darius Cabrera, Candy Quinones, Yandel Hendricks, Moyalee McKenzie, Janelle Dunhart, Kamali Williams, Sade Lambert, Tarika Smith and the baby, Jesselyn De Leon, Karina Rodriguez, Eva Gomez, Melissa Munoz, Renisha Bowen, Elizabeth James, Fatu Cisse, Jasmine Green, Essie Clinton, Heather Samuels Brody, Megalina Celestine,
Crystal Gilmore.
Crystal Gilmore,
That's right. That's my baby.
Brandon Bartholomew,
That's right.
Amanda Flores,
You better walk. That's right.
Caitlin
That's
Dunning,
right. That's right.
Veronica
That's
Burke,
right. That's right.
Gayla Elliott,
All the way. All the way.
Nadia Cornwall Brown, Janae Jackson, Risa Paulino, Teresa Williams, Rosalina Montoro, Shanika Queen, Shanika James, Hillary Wallace, Lanika Chief Grant, Kathy Brown, Gregory G. Michael, Jasmine Henry, Ashley London, Angela De Los Santos, Anara Begum, Shanice Richards, Camille Allen, Mahalia Mitchell, Norma Benjamin, Leslie Antoine, Kathy Ann Caesar, Sasha Aaron, Francie Ramirez, Aaliyah Moore, Ebony Pryor, Tiffany Covington, Nadia Spooner, Chanel Cummings, Geisha Henry, Norris Colon, Edith Torres, Giselle Thompson, Denise Wu, Maria Martinez, Emma Sanchez, Zamira Busey, Kristen Buford, Jada Israel, Marcia Ross, Natalie McDowell, Ayana John,
Susanna Marie Singh, Alicia Campbell, Naomi Lauder, Naima Townsend, Rosa Sanchez, Karen Peterson James, Donna Gonzalez, Amy Patterson, Kavita Lochnar, Abel Alvarado, Cecile Fisher, McQuay Carolina, Janine Garcia, Christopher Eugene, Diana Jenkins Yates, Brittany Edwards, Christina Osborne, Brandeis Johnston, Natasha Bazoon, Lauren Stoll, Ivan Budal, Roger Gordon, Cody Thompson, Martina Joseph, Jennifer Marine, Maria Scott Hernandez, Wendy Cicolella, Elizabeth Adele Villa Cruz, Priyanka Moda, Heidi Rodriguez, Griselda Hernandez, Alba Nunez, Amanda Lofton, Rashana Phillips, Mel Vanessa, Diana Rodriguez, Jenny Duarte, Alana Bengal, Danica Evans, Jasmine Hardy, Jennifer Pinto, Diana Prasad, Cheryl Deer Cassell, Tanzima Kamana, Sabina Yasmin, Bindu Guy, Cicely Ellison, Nicole Morris, Angelica Nam, Fujia Bijon, Angie Disla, Iris Della Cruz, Camille Bell, Maya Esser, Janessa Farnham, Natasha Charles, Makisha Jordan, Kelly Babal, Maria Villafana, Jennifer Nugos, Yvette Allen, Tiana Allen, Luis Garcia, Padmini Vestu, Zadia Anderson, Melissa Paulino, Marcia Bird, St. Flora Marie, Lillian Aguilera, Manim McKenzie, Carol Christian, Diane Youssef, Louise Andre, Ariella Jeremiah, Teresa Gassioma, and the little one, Tamara Jones, Shantae Stevens.
Wherefore?
Janelle Williams. Mohani Scenery. Taylor Rodden. Letitia Thomas. Damien Lugo. Amber Arias. Catherine Carla Jacobin. Christina Baker. Melissa Kester Clemendar. Kathy Gonzalez. Cheyenne Sullivan. Janae Donald. Ika Shidat. Kogeshwari Das. Christina Prasad. Jeffrey Lyson. Tammy Culpepper. Jessica Porcelaya. Vanessa Muhammad. Angie Singh.
Everybody. Joshie.
Lisa Shaman. Tanika Bancroft. Amanda Noel. Sonasha Hibbard. Diana Ramon. Tiara Ford. Amanda Burrows. Manuela Jervis. Andy West. Lashana Tinkin. Caroline Smith. Angelica Cabral. Jovel Burton. Tracy Loren. I'll be quick. I know everyone wants to celebrate. I would just like to say, please, for a minute, in a time of a lot of white noise, fluff, blah, 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 social media, everybody doing big things, you guys really accomplished something. There's a lot to be said for that. So congratulations. Okay, so graduates, please stand for a second.
The graduates, I'm getting ready to
Temperature of power. Wait, what I'm saying, but what the picture? Hold on, Sergeant. Body on. Oh, the horses.
Huh?
Yeah, you still get the pick.
Come on, this is candy shot. Everybody can pass. Candy shot.
Come, let's take the pick here. Come. Double honor. 1-3.
What you miss?
I missed the double honor by 2 points.
I should drink it 2 times on you now.
Now was the day when I pulled my teeth and I had to. Come, Kyle. Come now. You wanted to come, so come.
I'm sorry.
Come, let's go. Come. Ready? Come on.
Mario. Fall in, Mario. You like Cameron. You're bad people.
You didn't get to go in?
Oh, yeah, the bad people. You. Come on, Cameron. You're not bad people.
Let's go.
Don't go on the other side.
Which side?
Oh. Mario, come on this side.
Go in the middle, Marcel.
Marcel, between two soldiers. Come on. You're being protected by soldiers.
Come, ready.
I have a.
That's it. This guy have.
Give my father the water.
Wide.
Baby, we go.
Cheese.
Cheese burger.